vegan chicken in just 80 seconds. A texturate is given into the mixing container. We let the texturate soak for 20 seconds. The usual soaking process requires a waiting time of 20 minutes. Now the process in slow motion. The soaked and mixed texturate now has a temperature of 25.6 degrees Celsius. We prepare water with oil, the soaked texturate and wheat compound. We put all ingredients into the mixing container. The temperature is now at 24.2 degrees Celsius. Afterwards, we mix it for 60 seconds. Now the process in slow motion. After this, the mixture has a temperature of 26 degrees Celsius and can now be processed immediately. We take out the mixture and check the structure. Finally, we form balls and put them on a baking sheet to cook them. The result is a homogeneous structure.